So what we know from this question is the highest common factor of the two numbers is 5. This means that the two numbers we need are multiples of 5. So they need to be in the 5 times table. When we're thinking about the lowest common multiple, we're thinking about factors that multiply together to make 60. One of those factors has to be 5. And so 5 multiplied by 12 is going to be 60. If we break 12 up into its prime factors, we get that it equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied, it's not 6, it's going to be 3. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So this breaks down to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. If we now put that information into a Venn diagram, we're looking for two numbers with the highest common factor is 5. So this number here, we can't have the same number on or factor on both sides. But we have to put all of these numbers, the 5, the 2, and the 3, in these two circles. This is our highest common factor. And by multiplying all of these numbers together, we get our lowest common multiple. 5 times 2 times 2 times 3. So we have to put these numbers. We've got our 5 already. What we can do, we can put our 2. We can't put a 2 here because otherwise there would be a repetition and we'd need to put the 2 in here. So we're going to put the other 2 here as well. Technically, we could put the 3 on this side as well. I'm going to balance it over here so that what we've got is 2 times 2 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10 times 2, which makes it 20. 5 times 3 is 15. So my two numbers are 20 and 15.